Throughout this series, we've covered why small businesses are targeted, the biggest threats, your first practical steps, how to spot phishing, how to protect your backups, and what the federal government is doing about it. In every video, I've mentioned one resource: the free Owner's Handbook. In this final video of Series 1, I'm going to show you exactly what's in it, how it connects to everything we've covered, and how to use it to build a complete cybersecurity program for your business. I'm Yuri Zhurov, cybersecurity consultant and founder of SMB Cybersecurity Advisors. Let's get started. The Owner's Handbook is a practical field guide, not an academic document, not a vendor brochure. It's three things in one: a step-by-step checklist for each security area, ready-to-use policy templates you can customize with your company name, and plain language explanations of why each control matters. No jargon, no upselling, no 200-page PDFs. It was written with one principle. Most cybersecurity advice is written by people who have never had to make payroll. This handbook is written by someone who has. The handbook has 10 chapters plus a bonus section called The Part of Tens. Practical top 10 lists you can act on immediately. Chapter 1 covers why small businesses are targeted. Chapter 2, what attackers actually want from you. Chapter 3, passwords and MFA. Chapter 4, backups. Chapter 5, the wire transfer rule, one of the most important chapters for protecting your money. Chapter 6, team training. Chapter 7, how to read vendor proposals without getting oversold. Chapter 8, cyber insurance. Chapter 9, your 15-minute weekly maintenance ritual. And Chapter 10, when to call a professional and when not to. Everything we covered in Series 1 maps directly to a chapter in the handbook. Video 1 corresponds to Chapter 1, Video 2 to Chapter 2, Video 3 to the cheat sheet, those 5 things to do this week, Video 4 to Chapter 6 on team training and phishing awareness, Video 5 to Chapter 4 on backups. The handbook is the companion document to this entire series, and to every series we'll publish on this channel. The handbook opens with a cheat sheet. One page designed to be torn out and pinned to the wall. 5 actions that block the majority of attacks on small businesses. Turn on MFA on every email account. Turn on MFA on accounting software. Make sure you have a working backup and test it. Tell everyone who handles money to verify wire requests by phone before acting. And write down who you'd call if something went wrong. If you do nothing else from the entire handbook, doing these 5 things dramatically improves your security posture. Here's how to use the handbook. Download it, free, no registration, at smbsecurityadvisors.com/framework. Start with the cheat sheet this week. Do the 5 things, then read 1 chapter per week. That's 10 weeks to a complete cybersecurity program for your business. Use the built-in templates to create your policy documents: acceptable use policy, incident response plan, offboarding checklist. Share Chapter 6 with your entire team. That's their security awareness training. Done. And schedule. Chapter 9 as a monthly recurring task. 15 minutes a week to maintain your security posture over time. If you've watched all 7 videos in Series 1, you now have a complete foundation. You know why your business is a target, what the biggest threats are, how to implement your first security steps, how to spot phishing, how to protect your data with backups, what federal resources exist, and how to use the owner's handbook to build on everything you've learned. That's more than most small business owners ever put in place. In Series 2, we go deeper on passwords, accounts, and access control, the area where most breaches actually begin. Download the free Owner's Handbook at smbsecurityadvisors.com/framework. 10 chapters, a cheat sheet, and ready-to-use policy templates. All free, no registration, no email required. It's the practical companion to everything on this channel. Subscribe. New video every week, all free. Series 2 starts next. Passwords, accounts, and access control. The first video is called Why Your Password Policy is Failing. And if your business has a password policy, there's a good chance it's making you less secure, not more. See you there.